So we start again. I hope the class is helping you a bit. Yes. Have you all listed down your goals? Have you all listed down your goals? I see some chat boxes messages. Yes, yes. Okay. Does anybody want to share it? Have you all listed down your goals? चैट में तो बोलो, लिस्ट किया आपने? Except Jayashree, किसी ने बोला नहीं. So you have not listed down. Adira spelled it out, and then Ruxana told me something. I'm sorry, Shivani told me something. Yeah. Have you all listed down your goals? Have you not listed? Let me put it this way. Have you not listed your goals? Or even if it is a single goal, क्या आपने list किया है? So what I want you to do is, I want you to identify if your goal is smart or not. Okay? So can we take the example of Adira's goal, if Adira is okay? Adira का goal को लेके हम बात करें?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, thanks. So हमने बोला goal has to be smart. Smart बोला तो specific. Adira said she wants to be employed with a good corporate with a good reputation. Yes, please. I mean, just a sec. I'm sorry for the interruption. Jayashree. Jayashree. I'll unmute you. Can you share your goal? I'm unmuting you. I'm asking you to unmute. Can you please share your goal? I've unmuted you, Jayashree. What is your goal? बताओ. What is your goal? Are you here? Are you here, Jayashree? Okay. Now, Jayashree, I'll come back to your goal. As of now, we'll take Adira's. Adira, you said you want to be employed with a reputed corporate. You want to enhance your skills and you want to make a career out of it, right? And you want to
Yes,
shine
ma'am.
in your career. Can I add that also? That was implied.
Yeah.
You wanted to shine in your career. So the career, the goal was specific. Put a tick mark there. The goal was measurable. Measurable may, when I say I want to make a lot of money and I want to earn 5 crores, does that make a difference to you?
और ये 2 दिन से
आपको समझ में आ रहा है फर्क? I want to make 5 crores and I want to make a lot of money. इसमें कौन सा measurable है? इसमें कौन सा measurable था?
मैम 5 crore
5 crores was measurable. So I wanted you to specify what exactly you wanted, right? Employed with a corporate and achieve what level? समझ में आ रहा है आदिर आपको मैंने क्या बोला? Maybe you want to
Yes,
become a
ma'am.
chief, maybe you want to become a managing director, or maybe you want to, have a team, right?
मैम
बोलो.
मैम बहुत तो बोल रहे हैं इसमें.
एक मिनट, I will mute everybody, otherwise that's the best option.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do that. And if you want, raise your hands, I will unmute you.
Okay, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है आपको? When Adira said she wants to be employed with a reputed corporate, be specific, correct? Maybe TCS, maybe Cognizant, whatever. And then I told, like, she has to be specific, what level she has to grow, right? And then, very good, I will come to that, Shri. Yeah. And then it has to be attainable. Like, for example, ma'am, can I have a goal as going to the moon? Yes, you can. Yes, you can have. Because when Neil Armstrong can have a goal and he achieved it, I can also have that goal, right? So the goal has to be attainable. Can I have the goal as touching the sun? No, right? So it has to be attainable. Your goal was attainable, but it had to be specific and measurable. When ये दोनों fulfill हो जाते हैं, obviously it becomes attainable also. You will attain what? Maybe see आपको अभी when I say you want to be employed with a corporate and you want to be at the same time you want to shine there as what? Correct? आगे बढ़ता जाएगा, right? Now it has to be relevant. Your goal was relevant also. क्योंकि आपको पता है. Now supposing I say I am a science teacher, right? Biology teacher. And if I say I want to be taking CA classes, I want to run my CA classes by teaching there, is it relevant? It doesn't make sense at all, right? And when I say T, time bound मतलब इतने सालों में fix a time limit for your goal. आपको time limit fix करना है goal के लिए. Are you following me? Are you with me? Understanding? So
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
say your goal was specific,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. So frame SMART goals. Measure your goals will have to be measurable. Your goals will have to be attainable. Your goals will have to be relevant to what you are doing. You should have enough resources. We'll come to that in the next part, later on, later slides. And then okay. So now, when I talk about relevant goals, you had the resources. Resources bola to in terms of knowledge, skill, accessibility, everything it counts. And it has to be time bound. कब तक चाहिए? गोल हवे में मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. मुझे अमीर बनना है. मुझे सबसे 5 करोड़ कमाना है. कब तक? Entire life I sit earning 5 crores. Does it make any sense? It doesn't make sense, right? So this is what is a SMART goal. Any doubts so far? I hope it's productive. Can we continue tomorrow? The same topic, and then we'll go to confidence on the third day. Today, I want you to do an activity. Everybody is going to list down their goals, right? Goals, etc. And I will share this PPT recording, and you are going to be working out on the goals, seeing if they are SMART goals. Are you okay? Can you do it? I muted you again. Use this again. Okay. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? You type it out in the chat box. आज शाम को आप बैठोगे, अपने गोल्स एक एक करके लिस्ट आउट करोगे, राइट? जब आप गोल्स लिस्ट आउट कर रहे हो, whatever we have seen till now, we have seen till smart goals. ये स्मार्ट गोल्स तक जो भी हमने देखा है, you're going to classify it into personal goal, professional goal, performance based and outcome based. It's a small activity that you will do, and then you're going to see if your goal is smart. तो आप एक टेबल बनाओ, टेबल बना के put a tick mark, list down if you have more than one goals, list down all the goals and see if they fall into your SMART category. करोगे आज? It is not a homework, it is for you to see how. Why are we setting goals? We will see that so that life remains focused. We will see that later in the coming slides. Any doubts so far? Anybody has a query? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Shall we wind up for the day? Okay. So I will come to Jayashree's goal. Do you want to share it, Jayashree, before we wind up? Do you want to share it? Or should I read it out? Jayashree, do you want to share it or should I read it?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to share it? Share it. Please share it, Jayashree.
Yes. Ma'am, I want to become a bank manager and I want to pass graduation with first rank.
Very good. Very good. So now what I will want you to do is write down. और आगे भी काफी goals रहेंगे, personal भी रहेंगे, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So all these things you will make a book. I mean, you list it down in a sheet of paper or take out a book. As we go on with these courses, it will be
Yes.
effective if they are implemented. So I will say,
Yes, ma'am.
make a book or a journal, journalize these things, right?
I make a list of that, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. ठीक है? Any
Okay, ma'am.
doubts? And we
Thank
will
you.
wind up for the day. Thank you
Okay,
very
ma'am.
much for your inputs. See you. Bye. Hopefully we'll meet
Bye.
tomorrow. If we will meet tomorrow the same time, 11 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you're enjoying it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. If anybody wants to talk or ask me something, you can wait. I will wind up only after everybody is gone. Thank you, Ruxana. You also take care. Thank you, Halima. कौन है बेटा आप पबजी पे आओ पबजी पे no don't laugh see the class was meant for something else right you all can leave and if you have any specific queries you can wait I'm here thank you Nidhi Neha I have unmuted you, Neha. You had a query? हाँ नेहा बोलो. You all can leave. In case you have a query, do wait. Or should I end the meeting? I will share all PPT and even the recording, so that when you are listing down the goals, when you're trying to find out if it is falling under the smart category, you can put a tick mark. I will share the full PPT tomorrow because I still have 50% of it left.